Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So did you know that 60 to 70% of women and 50 to 60% of men report having sensitive skin? Plus, of the 40 to 50 million women in the United States alone who use retinoid products, of whom you might be a part of that group, 20% report having side effects like retinol burn, which is really awful. What are some strategies you can employ to soothe and restore sensitive skin and skin damage right now? As someone who does acid peels and microdermabrasion monthly, I have found a line that I love, created specifically to soothe irritated skin, and it's called Sensitive Skin brand. It does a miraculous job, and I'm not joking with that word miraculous, of cleansing, calming, and soothing irritated skin. So I thought I would share it with you. We're going to go into, and I will demonstrate what it is, why it works, and how to use it. Let's get going. Sensitive Skin brand is a high-performance skincare brand specifically formulated for sensitive skin to restore and revitalize the compromised protective skin barrier. It was made with 97% natural ingredients that are gentle, secure, and effective in calming the skin. It does not contain harsh chemicals, plastics, PEGs, or fragrance. It is sustainably created, non-toxic, wild harvested, and placed in recyclable packaging. None of the ingredients that are in these products are on the EWG dirty list, if you're into EWG, as I am. There are only 3 products, so let's go through each one. Okay, so the first product is the Calm Cleanser. So it restores the skin's protective barrier, feeds the skin with multiple nutrients and antioxidants, and contains blue tansy oil, pomegranate extract, mango butter, shea butter, bisabolol, elderberry extract, and white willow bark extract. It is very gentle and hydrating. It feels smooth and lovely on the skin, and you only need a very small amount to mix with water and clean your face. When I originally started using it, I was using way too much. I think that was because it felt so good. You only need a very small amount, and you can use it for up to 3 months. You can also use it as a soothing facial mask by leaving it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinsing it off. Or place a warm towel over your face for extra penetration of the product. If it all absorbs into your skin, that means your skin needed its wonderful nutrients. The next product is the Elixir Serum. It contains 32 plant-based oils and extracts that help repair and rejuvenate the skin while stimulating collagen production. The key ingredients are bakuchiol to reduce fine lines, stimulate collagen, and improve hydration, coenzyme Q10 as an antioxidant, sea buckthorn oil for beta-carotene, and omega-7 to nourish, hydrate, and plump. Plus, it contains black currant seed oil for the essential fatty acids that repair, heal, and are anti-inflammatory. It also contains prickly pear seed oil for calming, tomato seed oil for vitamin E, astaxanthin, if I said that right, for redness and sensitivity, and lupin seed extract for collagen production and to stimulate cellular regeneration. You need to use 3 to 4 drops morning or night and massage well into your face and neck. It feels very luxurious, and I love how organic it feels and smells. It has honestly become one of my favorite parts of my day. The last product is the Glow Mask. This is an easy-to-use brightening and exfoliating mask to soothe, tone, and restore radiance. To apply this product, mix with 1 teaspoon mask and 1 teaspoon water in a bowl and apply to freshly cleaned skin. It has a slightly tingling effect and feels really, really nice. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then rinse it off. It's a wonderful exfoliator, doesn't irritate, and also tightens the skin and encourages cell turnover with its exfoliation. It contains calendula extract, which is an anti-inflammatory and calms redness, oat kernel flour, and marshmallow root powder to smooth and soften irritated skin. It also has white willow bark, which is a natural source of salicylic acid and is a gentle exfoliant. It does contain a small amount of L-ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C that fades acne scars, lessens hyperpigmentation, and protects against free radicals. Sometimes this type of vitamin C can be irritating to the skin. However, only a small amount is mixed with another ingredient called sodium bicarbonate in order to have a fizzing effect, which makes the product very light on the skin. Plus, it activates the enzymes from ingredients like papaya enzyme, which are soothing and lifts buildup on the skin. Because of this, you will get the benefits of the L-ascorbic acid when you use the mask, but in a much more gentle way. I really love using this mask. It is a very gentle mask. You will not find it irritating at all. What makes this product unique and wonderful for skin sensitized by retinol post-treatment irritation, or just generally sensitive skin is that it is 97% organic and clean, free from harsh chemicals, and it's vegan. It is 100% recyclable, sustainable, and the type of glass that it is placed in is called mirroring glass, which prolongs the freshness of the product and is a very stabilizing feature for organic ingredients. If you have sensitive skin or easily irritated skin or even retinol burn, I recommend trying this product to help with these issues. I have been really happy with it, or I wouldn't share it with you. It is a high quality product with 97% organic ingredients. Remember that. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. I always answer, and please visit their website at sensitiveskinbrand.com for more information. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.